Converting a manual pallet jack to electric. Here is the procedure. The existing hole in the handle is less than 2 centimeters in diameter. Step 1. Install the throttle. Feed the wires through first. Then, align and snap the rear cover into place. Before installing the screws, adjust the throttle knob to prevent it from jamming. Tighten the rear cover screws. Tighten the side screws. Step 2. Replace the drive unit. Remove the original drive wheel. Install the electric drive assembly. Step 3. Drill holes in the frame. Dimensions are as follows. Step 4. Install the handle. Follow the same installation steps as for the manual jack. Step 5. Install the control board. Charging procedures. Turn on the power switch. Connect the charger. Turn off the power switch before charging. Operating the pallet jack.